The universe travels the path of entropy. The only way forward is chaos. Merry Christmas, YouTube. Welcome back. It is I, Chaos. This is going to be the last episode for 2020. Yes, I'm going to take a bit of a break over the holidays and just relax, do a bit of stuff. I don't know. Bit of a short update video for you guys today. We're just going to go over what I've got done over the last couple of weeks, or a weekish. It's been a week since it's over a week since the last episode. Yeah, worked on the tail assembly, worked on the landing gear, that sort of stuff, the shocks. Not much. I'm sort of slowing down because of the holiday season. I've got some other stuff going. I've been working on this thing, which is a backlight for my drawing desk. And we've got a bit of a surprise in store. We've organised the money to purchase my 3D printer. So that's happening this weekend, probably next week. We'll see. Yeah, so 3D printer is happening. It's on its way. It's going to be ordered soon. TM, you know. Yeah. Straight into the time lapse then. Yeah. Just got a quick time lapse. I'm not going to voice over it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just the landing gear and the shocks. Not much to really go over. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side. And there we have it. Yeah. So, it's looking pretty good now. It's looking pretty good with the wheels and the shocks and all the things, you know. Yeah, it's looking good. Well, what a year. Tell me about it, right? 2020, huh? So 2020. God, that's going to be a thing now. It's going to be like, something bad happens, like, dude, that's 2020. Like, I don't know memes. I'm not a meme person. I mean, I get memes, but I don't do memes. Does that make me a bad person? Anyways, yeah, you guys enjoy your Christmas. I've enjoyed this year so far. I hope you guys have had a good year, bad year, good year, whichever. It's a year, it's like any other. There have been worse years in human history, so it's not the worst, right? Yeah. So, yeah, that'll do it for this year. Catch you back next year with episode 6. We will be working on the variable pitch prop assembly and the motor housing and all that fun stuff. So that'll be interesting to keep an eye on. I hope you guys are still around for that. Thank you for everyone that has joined me this year. I very much appreciate it. Thank you to my one and only patron so far. Hopefully there will be more to come. And until next year, I've been Chaos. Expect the unexpected. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.